डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। मैंने उस दिन उसे फोन नहीं करने दिया। आई डिड नॉट लेट हिम कॉल दैट डे। आई डिड नॉट लेट हिम कॉल दैट डे। या तो मुझे जाने दो या फिर तुम जाओ। ईदर लेट मी गो और यू गो योरसेल्फ। ईदर लेट मी गो और यू गो योरसेल्फ। तुम ना सोते हो ना मुझे सोने देते हो। नीदर यू स्लीप नॉर लेट मी स्लीप। नीदर यू स्लीप नॉर लेट मी स्लीप। तुमने मुझे कभी हंसने नहीं दिया। यू नेवर लेट मी लाफ। यू नेवर लेट मी लाफ। उसने मुझे कभी रोने नहीं दिया। ही नेवर लेट मी क्राई। ही नेवर लेट मी क्राई। मैं तुम्हें जाने क्यों दूं? Why shall I let you go? Why shall I let you go? तुम हमें जाने दो। You let us go. You let us go. हम सब उसे जीने नहीं देते। We all don't let him live. We all don't let him live. मैं तुम्हें बाजार जाने दे रही हूँ। I am letting you go to market. I am letting you go to market. कोई मुझे पढ़ने नहीं देता। Nobody lets me study. Nobody lets me study. भगवान आज बारिश होने देंगे। God will let it rain today. God will let it rain today. वो पक्का मुझे जाने देगा। He will definitely let me go. He will definitely let me go. तुम मुझे शायद ना जाने दो। You might not let me go. You might not let me go. वो राम को लड़ने देगी। She will let Ram fight. She will let Ram fight. तुमने उसे खेलने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him play? Why did you let him play? तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? क्या उसने मुझे फोन करने दिया? Did he let me call? Did he let me call? उसने मुझे खाना नहीं खाने दिया। He did not let me eat the food. He did not let me eat the food. उसने मुझे पानी नहीं पीने दिया। He did not let me drink water. He did not let me drink water. उसने मुझे कंप्यूटर नहीं चलाने दिया। He did not let me operate the computer. He did not let me operate the computer. उसने मुझे मोबाइल नहीं खरीदने दिया। He did not let me purchase the mobile. He did not let me purchase the mobile. उसने मुझे बाइक नहीं चलाने दी। He did not let me ride the bike. He did not let me ride the bike. मैं तुम्हारे दुख को बढ़ने नहीं दूंगी। I will not let your pain grow. I will not let your pain grow. मेरा अकेलापन मुझे जीने नहीं देगा। My loneliness won't let me live. My loneliness won't let me live. पापा मुझे स्कूल जाने नहीं देते। Dad does not let me go to school. Dad does not let me go to school. हम कभी कभी उसे खेलने देते थे। We used to let him play sometimes. We used to let him play sometimes. वो अक्सर मुझे जाने देता है। He often lets me go. He often lets me go. मैं तुम्हें ये नहीं करने दूंगी। I will not let you do this. I will not let you do this. उस लड़के ने मुझे वहाँ खेलने नहीं दिया। That boy did not let me play there. That boy did not let me play there. मैं तुम्हें आम तोड़ने दूंगी। I will let you pluck the mangoes. I will let you pluck the mangoes. वो हमें घर में नहीं घुसने देगा। He will not let us enter the house. He will not let us enter the house. मैं अपने बेटे को नहला रही हूँ। I am making my son take a bath. I am making my son take a bath. इससे मेरा काम चल जाएगा। It will serve my purpose. It will serve my purpose. वो सिगरेट पीने का आदी हो गया है। He has been addicted to smoking. He has been addicted to smoking. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगी. I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. मैं 6 महीने बाद उसका चेहरा देख पाई. I could see his face after a lapse of 6 months. I could see his face after a lapse of 6 months. उसने घाव पर मरहम लगाया. He put ointment on the wound. He put ointment on the wound. मैं किसी के पीछे भागना पसंद नहीं करती. I don't like to run after anyone. I don't like to run after anyone. कल रात मुझे बहुत गहरी नींद आई. I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. तुम ये किताब हमेशा के लिए रख सकते हो. You can keep this book for keeps. You can keep this book for keeps. तुम खाली समय में क्या करते हो? What do you do in your leisure time? What do you do in your leisure time? घाव से खून निकल रहा है. The blood is oozing from the wound. The blood is oozing from the wound. हम उसकी हरकत पर नजर रखेंगे. We will keep a wiggle on his activity. We will keep a wiggle on his activity. तुम उसके कान में क्या फुसफुसा रहे हो? What are you whispering in his ear? What are you whispering in his ear? बातचीत से करीबी बढ़ती है. Conversation increases the proximity. Conversation increases the proximity. जूस को हल्के हल्के पियो. Sip the juice slowly. Sip the juice slowly. घमंड मुझे कभी छू नहीं सकता. Arrogance can never caress me. Arrogance can never caress me. मैं तुम्हें देखने के लिए तड़प रही थी. I was craving to see you. I was craving to see you. हमेशा की तरह. As always. As always. वो मेरी गोद में आई. She came to my laps. She came to my laps. हमें दूसरों का अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not defame others. We should not defame others. मुझे पैसे की सख्त जरूरत है. I am in a dire need of money. I am in a dire need of money. मैंने अपनी शर्त रखी. I put my condition. I put my condition. तुम्हारी शादी करीब आ रही है. Your marriage is drawing near. Your marriage is drawing near. वो बेहोश हो गया है. He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious. सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगी. I will not spare you. I will not spare you. तुम्हें अपनी गलती मान लेनी चाहिए. You should confess your fault. You should confess your fault. वहाँ जाना ठीक नहीं है. It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. हम एक दूसरे के यहाँ आते जाते नहीं. We are not in visiting terms. We are not in visiting terms. हमारे बीच बातचीत नहीं है. We don't talk to each other. We don't talk to each other. मैंने उसके साथ क्या गलत किया है? What wrong have I done to him? What wrong have I done to him? क्या तुम मुझ पर एक एहसान करोगे? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? चलो टहलते हैं. Let's stroll. Let's stroll. वे आसपास नहीं दिख रहे हैं. They are not seen around. They are not seen around. मम्मी आसपास नहीं दिख रही थी. Mom was not seen around. Mom was not seen around. सुमित आसपास नहीं दिख रहा है. Sumit is not seen around. Sumit is not seen around. फिलहाल मैं तुम्हें ये किताब दे रही हूँ. I am giving you this book for the time being. I am giving you this book for the time being. फिलहाल तुम यहाँ इंतजार करो. For the time being, you wait here. For the time being, you wait here. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recently? मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगी. I will always stand by you. I will always stand by you. मुझे ये पहेली सुलझानी है. I have to solve this puzzle. I have to solve this puzzle. यही किताब तो मैं चाहती हूँ. This is the very book I want. This is the very book I want. मैंने उम्मीद के मुताबिक काम नहीं किया. I did not work up to the expectations. I did not work up to the expectations. मुझे बच्चों का तुतलाना पसंद है. I like the lisping of children. I like the lisping of children. वो सारे दिन बहुत चुप-चुप सा लगा. He seemed very quiet all the time. He seemed very quiet all the time. मैंने कदमों की आवाज सुनी. I heard a footfall. I heard a footfall. वो 15 साल का हो गया है. He has turned 15. He has turned 15. मैं 18 साल का हो गया हूँ. I have turned 18. I have turned 18. वो बहुत दूर से आ रहा है. He is coming from afar. He is coming from afar. तुमने मेरी बहुत मदद की है. You have helped me a lot. You have helped me a lot. ध्यान रखना तुम्हें वहां जाना है. Keep in mind that you have to go there. Keep in mind that you have to go there. मुझे विश्वास है कि मैं सफल हो जाऊंगी. I am sure of success. I am sure of success. वो इस समय कानपुर के आसपास होगा. He will be here about Kanpur this time. He will be here about Kanpur this time. मैं तुमसे पक गई हूँ. I am tired of you. I am tired of you. मैं ये रोज रोज खाकर थक गई हूँ. I am fed up of eating it daily. I am fed up of eating it daily. तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? मैं अपना समय काट रही हूँ. I am passing my time. I am passing my time. पापा एक आध घंटे में पहुंचने वाले हैं. Dad is about to reach in an hour or so. Dad is about to reach in an hour or so. सर्दियां आने वाली हैं. The winters are round the corner. The winters are round the corner. भगवान जाने ये किसने बनाया. God knows who made this. God knows who made this. भगवान जाने वे कहाँ हैं. God knows where they are. God knows where they are. भगवान जाने वो कौन है. God knows who he is. God knows who he is. चाहे जो हो मैं वहां जाऊंगी. No matter what I will go there. No matter what I will go there. चाहे जो हो हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. Come what may, we will not do so. Come what may, we will not do so. वो हमेशा की तरह मेरे पास आया. He came to me as usual. He came to me as usual. लगता है हमारे अध्यापक आज यहाँ नहीं हैं. Looks as our teacher is not here today. Looks as our teacher is not here today. लगता है वो तुम्हारा कोई है. Looks as he is someone to you. Looks as he is someone to you. मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आऊंगी. I will come after a while. I will come after a while.